If you guys want to use the entire chicken, start to finish, no waste at all, a really great way to use the rest of this carcass is to make a stock with it. So whenever I cut up a whole chicken, I bust out my crock pot, I fill it with a little bit of water, put a splash of vinegar in it, and drop the whole thing in there. Let it cook overnight. The crock pot's really the easiest way to do it. You don't have to watch it. You don't have to worry about something being on your burner. It stays at a consistent temperature. You can set it and forget it. You can come back tomorrow after work and then you've got chicken stock. You can make soup. You can put it in a jar and freeze it afterwards. And a final way to use the last of this, after you've made your stock, if you take the bones out of your crock pot or whatever you're cooking your stock in, you can take the bones and put them in a food processor with just a little bit of liquid. And if you blend it up, it'll turn really smooth. It'll be like a silky texture. And I use that for dog food or any sort of animal food, cats, chickens, everyone loves it.